Ford has unveiled the 2026 F-150 Lobo, a revival of the street truck legacy that blends bold styling with pavement-focused performance. Inspired by the 2025 Maverick Lobo and the legendary SVT Lightning, this sporty F-150 variant is designed for enthusiasts who want a full-size pickup with an urban edge. First spotted in prototype form in April 2025, the Lobo was revealed without camouflage by May, showcasing an aggressive design with a unique front fascia, larger mesh grille, integrated LED light bar, and side skirts. Though it appears lowered, the suspension remains practical for daily driving. It features 22-inch gloss black wheels wrapped in street-oriented tires, a dual exhaust system, and a subtle F-150 Lobo badge. Under the hood, multiple powertrain options deliver thrilling performance. The standard 5.0-liter V8 generates 400 horsepower, while an available 3.5-liter EcoBoost VAC6 offers 450 horsepower. Speculation surrounds the potential inclusion of the 720 horsepower supercharged 5.2-liter V8 from the Raptor R. All engines pair with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth, responsive shifts. Unlike the off-road focused Raptor, the Lobo is engineered for street handling, featuring a recalibrated suspension for sharper cornering and a firmer ride. This fills a gap in the truck market, where competitors like the Chevrolet Silverado RST and Ram 1500 lack street-specific models. Inside, the Lobo is expected to retain the modern F-150 Super Crew cabin with tech-forward features like a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, sync infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and 5G connectivity. Higher trims may include a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen system, wireless charging, and navigation. Advanced safety features such as Blue Cruise, hands-free driving, and blind spot monitoring ensure a secure ride. Pricing remains unconfirmed, but the Lobo will likely sit between the XLT and Lariat trims, with an estimated starting price in the mid-$50,000 range. Deliveries are expected by late 2025, with Ford offering customization options via online configurators. With its aggressive styling, powerful performance, and urban-focused appeal, the F-150 Lobo revives the street truck spirit, providing enthusiasts with a unique blend of capability and attitude.